crafters, and welcome to Cousin DIY. I'm Amy, and today I'm joined by Chloe. Chloe works in the design department here at Cousin. So Chloe, how'd you get into jewelry making?
Well, that's a bit of a story. I'll try to make it concise. About 13 years ago, I met a neighbor when I was living in Vermont, and she made jewelry, and I asked her if she'd teach me a few things. She started coming over, and we started shopping together, and before I knew it, my house filled up with jewelry findings and beads. Within the first 2 weeks, I bet I made over 150 pairs of earrings.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, earrings can be really easy and fun and fast to make, the simple basic ones.
Mm-hmm.
And we went on to accumulate so much jewelry that we had made that we decided to sell at craft fairs, farmers markets, and even some local shops. Then we went on to teach classes after school at an elementary school in an enrichment program. We had both girls and boys in our classes. It was interesting to us that almost as many boys as girls signed up for our classes. And that was great fun. And then we also hired out to do beading birthday parties for children.
Fun.
I left Vermont about 7 years ago now. And I was lucky enough to find a job here at Cousin DIY in the design department. And I've been here about 5.5 years now.
Oh wow, so that's awesome. So you are the perfect person to teach this class. So what are some tools we are using today?
Well, today we're going to be using needle nose pliers. Then we are going to use side cutters. And this is a nifty tool. This is a 3-in-1 tool.
So what are we going to craft in this class series?
The first class will be earrings. The second class will be this tasseled bracelet. The third class will be this nugget necklace.
Now you can buy everything you need to create these 3 great pieces on cousindiy.com. But of course we've made it easy for you. You can also purchase the bundle. The bundle includes all the jewelry pieces, the mat, the bead storage, and those 3 tools that we saw earlier. At the end of the class, you can share your creations in our Facebook community. Every week we pick a new person to win a mystery prize. Will you win the prize? Well, see you in class. Bye.
Bye.